Hello and welcome to the video. This is something that's just been released for the Fat Shark Walksnail system. Not the goggles, they've been out for ages, available in this colour, which is the Fat Shark version, or the all black and grey version, which is the ones that you can get from Walksnail. Now the thing that's come out today is this thing here. This is the new AVATAR HD Mini 1S LITE Kit. Now I am a fan of the Walksnail system and I'm becoming more of a fan as time goes by. In fact, so much of a fan that those that watch the channel will know that Walksnail now lives in my Atom RC Dolphin, and it also now lives in my Atom RC Swordfish. And I'm having a whale of a time with both of them. See what I did there? But now there is a new version of the 1S board that's been around for a little while. Now I looked at a Whoop that came with Walksnail in it. That was from Beta FPV, I think it was called the Meteor 75, and that was a load of fun. And I love the fact that Walksnail are continuing to bring out products, which is that unit that you can plug into analog goggles. So if you're an analog pilot, you don't have to buy a whole new set of goggles to invest in the Walksnail system. And now we have this new version of the HD Mini things, perfect for stuff like Whoops. So this is powered from 3.1 to 5 volts. It only weighs 9.3 grams, so that gives you 1080p HD FPV for less than weight of a servo. It'll run at 1080p, 60 frames a second, and also 720p at 100 frames a second. 22 milliseconds latency. Also has the canvas mode in here, support for Betaflight, iNav, FETEC, RD Pilot and KISS OSDs. Built-in 8GB storage, just like the other Avatar units, and record 1080p or 720p HD into that space. Highest power this time has been increased to 350 milliwatts, and interestingly it's shipped with a linear antenna. So does that mean we need linear antennas on the goggles to get the most from it? Possibly, but just flying around a house, it's going to be fine with the antennas that you're probably already using. What excites me most about this, actually, it's less about the product, it's more about what it represents. With things like Walksnail powered Whoops coming onto the market, the new VRX module and new improved modules like this, it's starting to feel a much safer options for those in analog land who are looking to invest in a HD system that's going to be around for a while. This kind of behavior of bringing out the new stuff doesn't smell at all like somebody who's just trying to cash in or be jumping out the market anytime soon. And also we have the other news that Fat Shark has recently been sold again, so Red Cat is no longer their owners. I think that's a good thing. Fat Shark really lost the plot in terms of bringing out new product, and from the rumours I'm hearing, the management of Fat Shark are excited to be owned by somebody who's going to allow them to get back to doing what they do best. And that also will invigorate the Walksnail Fat Shark HD system by having that side of the partnership firing on all cylinders as well. So I just wanted to show you this and talk about what it was and what it wasn't. If you are looking to build a Whoop or a very small quad and you're looking for something that's going to give you very high quality HD images and only weigh 9.3 grams, then Walksnail have you covered. Stay tuned, I will continue to report on what's going on with Walksnail, but I am starting to feel very comfortable that this is one of the safe bets for 2023. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.